In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard Error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I've found, the best way to fix this is to open up a web browser and then head on over to Google. In Google, type in Epic Games Launcher. If you already got Epic's Game Launcher, just skip to the next part. So we need to go ahead and download the Epic Games Installer. So go ahead and click on Install on Windows. And now let that download, but we don't want to open it from here. So let that download in the background. So I'll pause that video and get back to you once that's done. All right, so here's the Epic installer here. So I'm just going to drag this to my desktop to make this easier. So now what we want to do from here, we've got the installer. Don't open it from here. What we need to do is click onto the search button. And then where it says type the search, we need to find Task Manager. So go ahead and click into Task Manager. Alright, so Task Manager is now opened. And now once it's open, next to processes, it says Run New Task. So go ahead and click onto Run New Task. So now we need to find the installer. So we need to click on the Browse button. I'm going to go to my desktop. And if it doesn't show up here, the Epic installer, where it says Programs, click on All Files. And here it is here, so Epic installer. So double click that. And now from here, we need to check where it says create this task with administrative privileges. So click that and then go ahead and click on OK. And then from here, it's going to ask you where to install the Epic Games Launcher to. Just keep it where it's at, or you can change your location. From here, click on install. And now this is going to go ahead and install the Epic Game Launcher onto my PC. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once that is done. Alright, so you can see it's downloading the update. So just an update. It's about close to 600 megabytes. Alright, once that is done, it's going to open up Epic Games. And then I'll ask you to sign in or create an account. So yeah, hope this video has fixed your Epic Games Launcher problem or issues.